Welcome to Ekascloud online courses. In today's video, we are going to discuss about Terraform, plan and its usage. In this topic, first I am going to explain the concepts of Terraform plan. When using Terraform to manage infrastructure, the plan command is critical. It evaluates the current state of the infrastructure described in Terraform configuration files, and it generates a detailed execution plan. This plan outlines the actions needed to bring the actual infrastructure state in line with the desired state specified in the configuration files. These actions could include creating new resources, modifying existing ones, or deleting resources that are no longer needed. Purpose of Terraform plan command. The Terraform plan command serves several purposes. First one is infrastructure analysis. It examines the current state of the infrastructure as defined in the Terraform configuration files. Second one is change projection. It projects the changes required to achieve the desired state as specified in the configuration files. This includes identifying which resources need to be created, modified, or destroyed. Third one is preview of modifications. The plan command does not make any actual changes to the infrastructure. Instead, it provides a detailed preview of the modifications that Terraform would apply if instructed to do so. Fourth one is safety measure. By previewing changes before applying them, the plan command helps prevent unintended modifications to the infrastructure. It allows operators to review the proposed changes and ensure they align with expectations before proceeding with the actual deployment. And last one is collaboration. The output of the plan command can be shared with team members or stakeholders for review and approval before changes are applied. This facilitates collaboration and helps maintain visibility into infrastructure modifications. Saving Terraform plan. Utilizing Terraform plan out command. To preserve the Terraform plan for future reference or sharing, the Terraform plan out command is employed. This command allows the plan to be saved to a file rather than merely displaying it on the terminal. Saving the plan facilitates collaboration among team members and enables the recreation of deployments at a later stage. This is a sample code. Here you have to specify Terraform plan out keyword. After that, you have to specify file name. Here I am just giving as an example April_plan. Now I am going to open my Windows Explorer, PowerShell. Here first I am going to enter into my project directory. Now I am going to execute Terraform plan. This command will show you the plan depends on our desired state. It is showing Terraform uses the selected providers to generate the following execution plan. Resource actions are indicated with the following symbols. Create. Terraform will perform the following actions. It will create AWS instance and one S3 bucket. Now I am going to execute the second command, Terraform. plan hyphen out space. I'm going to give file name as April 2024 underscore plan. Enter. It will create one new file in our Visual Studio Code. If you open your Visual Studio Code, you can find file as April 2024 underscore plan. This file is not displayed in the text editor because it is either binary or uses an unsupported text encoding to prevent unauthorized access. Now, I'm going to explain how to apply saved plan. Executing Terraform apply. Following the generation and preservation of the Terraform plan, the next step involves applying it to the infrastructure. This is achieved through the Terraform apply command, specifying the plan file using the hyphen input option. You can find this syntax after creating file. Now I'm going to open PowerShell. Here you can find the command save the plan file details. To perform exactly these actions, run the following command to apply. The Terraform apply, you have to specify the name of the file. Here I'm going to use this command Terraform apply space. I'm going to specify file name April 2024 underscore plan. Enter. Now it is creating one AWS instance and S3 bucket from the specified file. Apply completed. If you want to list the file, you can use Terraform space state list command. You can find details about the instance and bucket. If you want to see in a detailed description, you can use Terraform show command. Here you can get details about the instances in the form of HashiCorp configuration language. Now I'm going to make changes in my code. I'm going to improve my code. Here I'm going to create one more instance by copying this code. I'm going to create one new instance here. I'm just changing reference name and tag name. I'm going to add one more S3 bucket here. You should give unique name. Now I'm going to apply all these changes by using Terraform auto apply command. Terraform apply hyphen auto hyphen approve. Now it is creating demo bucket 2 and demo instance 2 on S3 bucket on EC2 instance. If you open your AWS account, you can see these changes. Select EC2 instance. Here you can find details about the servers. This is a running server. Now again I am going to list it by using Terraform state list command. Now you can see the changes. Now it is showing 4 files. Terraform import. Terraform import is a critical feature within Terraform that allows user to integrate existing infrastructure resources into Terraform's management workflow. It provides a way to bring resources that were created outside of Terraform under its management, allowing for consistent management and automation through infrastructure as code practices. Key features: bringing existing resources under Terraform management. Terraform enables users to import the state of existing resources into Terraform state file. This makes it possible for Terraform to manage these resources alongside those defined in Terraform configuration files. Next one is integration with Terraform state management. By importing existing resources, Terraform ensures that their states are tracked and managed within its state file. This allows for consistent tracking of infrastructure changes and ensures that all resources are managed in a unified manner. Next one is creating AWS instance using Terraform. Defining instance in Terraform configuration. To provision an Amazon EC2 instance using Terraform, you need to define an AWS_instance resource in your Terraform configuration file. This resource specifies important details such as the AMI ID, instance type, security groups, and key pair, and any additional configuration needed for the instance. And then you have to write matching code. This is used to match the manual instance with the Terraform code. This is a sample code. You have to specify the name of the resources, AMI ID, and instance type accordingly. Importing existing AWS instance into Terraform. If you have pre-existing AWS resources that you want to manage using Terraform, you can use the Terraform import command. This command facilitates the integration of existing resources into Terraform state management. Now I'm going to open my browser and I'm going to create one AWS instance. I'm giving name as manual_instance. Here I'm selecting DBN server. I'm going to use instance type T2 micro. It's free eligible tier. I'm going to select key pair DBN. Here I'm going to select existing security group, and that's it. I'm going to create by launch instance. It will take few minutes to launch the instance. Here you can see the newly created server manual instance. In the meantime, I'm going to create a copy matching code in Visual Studio Code. Here I'm going to select EC2 instance, and here I'm going to use this resource AWS instance reference name, AMI ID, and instance type. I'm copying this and I'm going to paste this here and close this. Now I'm going to copy the reference name from the server. Here you have to copy this name and paste it in reference name. In this way, we have to create a matching code for the server. Next, I'm going to change AMI ID. If you open this, you can find details about AMI ID here. Copy that and paste it in this place. Like this, you have to do for all the necessary fields. That's it. We have created that. Now, I want to check the status of the server. Still in installation stage. I'm refreshing it. We have to wait for the installation to complete. Before that, I'm going to explain this. This is the Terraform import command. It is used to import resources via the code. In this example, AWS underscore instance dot manual underscore instance is the resource address specified in the Terraform configuration file, and this is the unique identifier of the existing AWS instance. Running this command links the existing instance of the Terraform state, enabling Terraform to manage it going forward. Now I am going to check the server. Refresh it. Once it completed 2x2 verification passed, we can proceed. Now it's completed. 2x2 checks passed. Now I am going to execute import command. Terraform import AWS underscore instance dot. Here you have to give the name of the reference name here. I'm copying this reference name. And I'm pasting it here. Space. Here you have to give unique ID. That one we have to copy from the server. Select here. Copy this instance ID and paste it in code. Okay, now execute it. Import successful. The resources that were imported are shown above. These resources are now in your Terraform state and will henceforth be managed by Terraform. Conclusion. Terraform's planning capability is integral to ensuring safe and predictable infrastructure changes. When generating and saving plans, users can scrutinize proposed modifications before implementation, thereby maintaining control and mitigating risk in infrastructure deployments. Additionally, Terraform's import feature simplifies the incorporation of existing resources into the infrastructure as code workflow, fostering enhanced manageability and reproducibility. Thank you.